If a person is on a lake or a pond, and the pond is frozen, and they were to suddenly fall through the ice into the pond, within a nanosecond, before their feet even hit the little shallow bottom of the pond, all of their blood and energy rush into the middle of their body. Why? Because our bodies know that in a situation like that, we need our heart, we need our lungs, we need our liver, we need our kidneys. We don't really need our hands and feet. So no doctor has ever seen a person who died of hypothermia with a freezing cold chest and warm hands and feet. It's never happened. So there is an innate intelligence our bodies have where we can prioritize one organ system over another. And this is happening every day. So with nutrition response testing, we use this ability our body has to prioritize through neurological response to ascertain what's truly going on in the body with the organ systems.